In this video I will show you step by step how you can download iPhone games on your Mac, and this works on pretty much any Mac. So this could be an older Mac, it could be one of the newer ones, M2, M3 chips, whichever you're using, this works on them all. So it's super simple to download iPhone games on Mac, guys. What we can do is scroll down until we find our dock, and then from here what you want to do is scroll over and then select Launchpad. Once we select Launchpad, you then want to locate your App Store, which for me is in the top left hand corner of our screen. Click on this, and then as you can see, you will be on this page. From here, as you can see, you will be able to see any of the Mac favorites, so you can see games and also softwares in here. But what you can do if you know the game that you want to download is go to the search bar, and for example, if I just search for Geometry Dash, for example right here, as you can see, there is many different variants, but what you can do is go to the one that you want, click on the one that you want, for example this one, click on get and then click on install. Once you do that, as you can see, you will need to verify this, but once you've verified it, it will then start installing. And then as you can see, what you can then do is click on open. And then once we click on open, as you will notice now, you will be able to play any game that you download on your Mac, which is from the iPhone. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.